8101 Raleigh Place, doing a sewer scope after repairing the line and cleaning the line. This is from the two-way outside access. 65 foot to the city sewer there. Original clay tile piping in the street. I did clean this line a few days ago, and then we had to come back to fix another crack. So now we're scoping the line after it's all fixed and cleaned. So there's a little bit of tree roots after cleaning the line. I mean, very minor. That's about the size of a quarter. And then there's our connection on to the new SDR 35 piping. Looks like we did do a full yard repair, so from the house to the sidewalk. All plastic piping throughout the yard now. The 8101 Raleigh Place sewer line has been cleaned, repaired, tested, and inspected, and is flowing well at this time. Recommendation would be for annual cleaning to maintain the sewer line.